Hello, welcome to Rear-Facing Toddlers. All infant carrier car seats can be installed on an ISOfix base, but for most of them that ISOfix base is an optional extra that you don't have to use. Most of these car seats can actually be belt fitted, which is handy if you ever need to use the seat in somebody else's car. So in this video I'm going to show you how to belt fit your infant carrier. This is the Britax-Römer Baby-Safe 5Z2. The name has now changed to Baby-Safe Pro, but the installation is exactly the same. This car seat rear faces from 40 to 83 centimetres, which is birth to approximately 18 months. And the nice thing about this car seat is that it has a 3-position backrest, so it can be reclined whilst it's installed in the car with the seatbelt. To install this seat in the car, you place it on the vehicle seat with the backrest and a 45-degree angle. And what's really good about this car seat is it actually has a spirit level down here. So if you look at this, that white line needs to be in the green zone. So with it currently being in red, means that it's too reclined. So we need to sit it up just a little bit until that white line is in the green zone. You start the installation by moving the carry handle out of the way. You do that by pressing these buttons on the back of the handle, both at the same time, and just fold the carry handle down. You then pull out the seat belt and place the lap belt across the baby's legs under the guides on the side of the seat. You do this one first, and then you place it under this hook on the other side and buckle the belt in. And then take baby's hands out, make sure that they're not squashed by the seat belt. And then to tighten the seat belt, I always like to put my foot in the footwell so that I can push against the back of the car seat with my leg whilst pulling the seat belt really tight. Make sure there aren't any twists in it, give it a bit of a wiggle, and then wrap the belt around the back of the car seat. And you then place the belt in the seat belt guide on the back here of the car seat in that groove. And then to tighten the belt, you put your left hand on the belt and your right hand on the edge of the seat and pull your hands apart to take all the slack out of the belt. Wiggle it while you do that to make sure that the installation is really firm. And the final step of the installation is to put the carry handle forward. Now you do that by pressing the buttons here on the side and then first of all sitting it up. When this car seat is installed on its base, this is where the carry handle position is, but when it's belt fitted like this, it actually has to go forward over the baby's feet. So you press the buttons again, go all the way forward until it clicks into place. As I said earlier, this car seat has 3 recline positions in its backrest. It's currently in its most upright position, and to recline it more, you squeeze the lever here on the back, and then you can click the seat into 1 or 2 recline positions. So this is the Baby-Safe 5Z2 or Pro fitted in the car. The lap belt goes over the baby's legs, then buckles in and wraps around the back of the car seat through the guide on the back. And it then comes up and goes up to the top of the door. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon.